welcome to Kitchen and Garden with
Ivy
and Steve. Hello all, right, so I'm venturing inside our greenhouse today, and what we have here is some red lettuce, we have some pak choy, and some more pak choy I believe, and we have some more red lettuce, mixed salad leaves, some chili peppers at the back there, and we've got some spinach over there, and we've got some Chinese cabbage down here, and I'm not too sure what this end one is, but yeah, this is all planted out, ready for sort of autumn, winter time, and hopefully we're going to have a decent harvest this year. Yeah, with our winter veggies. Yeah, sweet as. Oh, and what do we have down here? What is this, Ivy? Aubergine? Really?
No, it's still flowering.
I didn't even know aubergine flowered. I didn't know that. I just thought it was like a veggie type thing. Yeah, so yeah, all doing good. There's another aubergine one over here, is that right? Yeah, yeah. What are you pointing at over here? What's that then?
Mixed salad.
Mixed salad!
And
Wow!
some peas.
Okay, and some peas. And then these are garlics, are they?
Ginger.
Gingers, okay. Did you have some turmeric on the go? Or did that fail?
It's at the... It's not what... It's rooting.
Rooting,
It's
okay.
rooting still.
Cool, yeah, so we've got quite a lot. And, oh, we've got a spider here, and he's caught himself a grasshopper in our greenhouse. How'd the grasshopper get up that high? That's mental. That spider's like half its size. Spiders are awesome. Yep, what's the Filipino word for spider? It's gagumba, isn't it? Yep, there you go. You can learn some Filipino on this channel as well, people. Okay, so what have we got over here? Yep, you've seen all this before. Now, what we did have is a bit of a failure on one of our plants, people. So yeah, we were growing. Is this the squash? Yeah, look, it just sort of, it fails. It sort of just rots down. Now, apparently, if that happens once, it's going to happen on every single one.
Let us know why.
Yeah. So they say, yeah, it's pumpkin basically, and yeah. If it fails once, it fails every time, but we're hoping we can save it because it's such a beautiful, magnificent beast of a plant. But yeah, we've heard that there's nothing you can do, but if you've got anything in the comments that you can give us tips, that'd be much appreciated.
Tomatoes growing massive.
Yeah, the tomatoes are growing huge. We've had to put extra sticks in. Well, it's coming up near to the top of our garage. It's mental. Might have to put another stick up there, but that's, well, I'm 1.50 meters. And it's probably 2 meters high. It's doing really well. I don't know what the record is, but yeah, it's probably nowhere near the record. Again, if you do know what the record is for the highest tomato plant, let us know. I bet we're nowhere near it. But yeah, there we are. So that's our garden. Oh, our pond is doing very well. It's just before I end off. Let's see if we can see any of the fish. Just haven't long fed them. But no, they're all dived down. But yeah, they're doing well. I counted all 4 the other day, so they're all doing good. Okay, well thank you for watching. Goodbye. Please stay with Ivy and Steve a little bit longer and click one of these links that you can see on your screen now. And yeah, if you have liked our channel and like what you see and want to see more, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you.